I think this might sound a bit funny, but I still need to ask her. It's been some days, months, that we saw some helicopters in the sky, spraying some kind of chemicals. And it's been rumored in our environment, in our community, that a petroleum hub has machinerized with some other people that we do not know come and spray coconuts of Enzima land so as to kill them for the petroleum hub to get their land for free for their project. Please, is it true?
First of all, let me say it's not true. We are busy looking for resources to make sure that the project comes off. We will not. We had no idea what you're talking about, and I'm sure in situations like that, you probably have to quickly ask our people around. That is why Mr. Infojo, Mr. Eric, and all these people are here, because people just create those rumors because somebody was, but maybe they were spraying the coconut on, if it was pesticide. We have no idea, and we have no intention of spraying. Even if we did that, we will still have to. We saw the farms there, so it cannot be true that we want to kill it and say we are not paying compensation. So please, just take it that it is not true. PhDC hasn't done anything like that. There's no intention of doing that. Okay.
Yes. With your permission, let me give some clarification.
Okay.
On that. So what happened? In fact, there wasn't any spraying. What happened is that government says that government wants to do what we call land bank. So the land bank is such that anytime there's an investment in this country, government will know that there are some sums or huge sums of land lying at certain portions, so that they will know where to send those projects to. So that was the exercise they were doing. It was a survey work, purely survey work. The only unfortunate event is that the dissemination or the information didn't go to the various communities, and that is what brought about all those rumors. And in fact, about 70% of you media guys here were all talking about it. Sometimes we'll see it on TikTok and we'll be listening. It sounds funny, but I mean, it has also affected most of our farmers. You go there and they are telling you that you people are spraying the coconut so that you can have access to the farms, which is not true. So we beg you, just as CEO said, if you hear anything, this is our office. We are open to you to ask, to answer any questions that you have. So thank you for that. It was purely for land bank issues, and it was instrumented by government.
And for media,
so PhDC, we don't have any business with
for media. I think the person who you should have quickly asked was the MC.
Had nothing to do with the farm. It was an exercise by government. So I think that was it.
Okay, so at least that's a confirmation. The propaganda or the wrong information. Wrong information, bad information travel faster than good information. So please, let's not do anything that will create fear and panic among our farmers.